Magandang araw mga bata. Ngayon ay dadako na tayo sa lesson 13 which is expressing rational numbers from fraction form to decimal form and vice versa. Nakaraang linggo ay na-discuss na natin ang about sa non-integers which is the fraction, decimal, and percent. So ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin ay mag-convert lang tayo. First conversion, we have fraction to decimal. If we're going to convert a fraction to decimal, we're going to use long division. The numerator is the dividend and the denominator will be the divisor. Make sure that there is no remainder. If the quotient is a repeating decimal, use vinculum. Example number 1, we have, what is the decimal form of 2/5? So, apply natin yung kanina nating na-discuss dun sa first slide. So, yung 2, which is the numerator, will be your dividend. And then, yung 5 naman, yung denominator natin, ilalagay natin dito sa labas at siya ang magiging divisor natin. Ayan. So, 2 divide 5. Meron bang 5 sa 2? Cannot be. So, lagay natin doon sa taas ay 0. Then, 0 times 5 is equal to 0. Then, subtract natin yung 2 and 0. It is equal to 2. Then, bawal daw may remainder. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 0. Add muna tayo ng point and then 0. So, bring down natin yung 0. Then, 20 divide 5. So, ilan daw 5 meron sa 20? So, 4. Ibig sabihin, maglalagay muna tayo ng point doon. And then, 4. Then, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Therefore, 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So, ang decimal form ng ating 2/5 is equal to 0.4. Okay, second conversion, we have decimal form to fraction form. Ito naman yung pabalik. So, ito ay process. Step 1, write down the decimal divided by 1. Like this. Nakikita nyo po ito. Ayan. So, ito yung decimal or yung given. Tapos, i-divide natin siya sa 1. Then, next, step 2, multiply both top and bottom by 10 for every number after the decimal point. Ibig sabihin daw, imumultiply daw natin ang parehas, yung top and bottom or the numerator and the denominator by 10 for every number after the decimal point. For example, if there are two numbers after the decimal point, then use 100 kasi dalawang 0 yon para dun sa dalawang numbers after ng decimal point. If there are 3, then use 1,000 and etc. Next step, we have simplify or reduce the fraction or ito yung paglo-lowest term natin. Okay, let's try it. Example number 2, we have convert 0.25 in fraction form. So, dito naman, ito yung step gagawin natin. So, step 1, ilalagay daw natin ang decimal, tapos, over daw natin ito ng 1. So, ito yung decimal natin or yung given, and then, over 1. Next, step 2 tayo. So, step 2 daw, itong decimal, bibilangin daw natin yung numbers after decimal point. So, meron tayong 2 and 5. So, we have two numbers after the decimal point. That's why we need to multiply this one into 100. So, parehas po, taas at baba, i-multiply natin by 100. So, 0.25 times 100 is equal to 25. Then, 1 times 100 is equal to 100. Therefore, meron tayong 25 over 100. Then, proceed na tayo sa step 3. Step 3, ito yung simplify. Pag simplify natin, gagamitan ito natin ng GCF. Yung GCF ay greatest common factor. So, dito, titingnan muna natin kung yung 25, kung kasya ba yung 25 or sakto ba yung 25 para makabuo ng 100 or ilang 25 ang meron sa 100. Wala naman itong remainder. So, di-divide natin ang numerator and denominator by 25. So, 25 divide 25 is 1 and 100 divide 25 is equal to 4. Therefore, ang answer natin, pag kinonvert natin ang 0.25 in fraction form is 1/4. For the last conversion, we have decimal to percent. So, paano nga ba ito isagawa? So, to convert a decimal to a percentage, multiply it by 100. So, i-multiply daw natin yung decimal into 100 or just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So, i-move lang daw natin yung decimal places para sa other way. Example number 3. Convert 0.38 in percent. So, method number 1, i-multiply daw natin yung ating given decimal in 100. So, 0.38 times 100 is equal to 38%. Or in method number 2, we have 0.38. Ayon sa method number 2, move lang daw natin yung decimal point in 2 places to the right. So, let's move it. 1, 2. So, dito tumigil yung point. Ibig sabihin, itong 38 ay magiging whole number na. So, this is equal to 38%. So, sana naintindihan nyo yung tatlong conversion. Ang una nating conversion ay decimal to fraction. Next, a fraction to decimal. Then, decimal to percent. So, that's all for today, class. And goodbye, class.